So the walk to the waterhole is about 45 minutes away, and we don't want to carry a backpack and a swag. So we're going to set up a bit closer to the car, and we're going to spend the day at the waterhole and then sleep back around here. And I think she'll be a fine place to spend the night. Get rid of all these prickly weeds as well. Sorry, Mr. Ferns. Must be the bottom one, middle, and front. Fit all the poles in, get this little fabric part in the middle, and then at the side they all clip on. This is a nice heavy duty canvas swag as well, all waterproof, puts up pretty damn well in the wind, won't get blown over. It's a nice sturdy swag. Yeah, that's better. There we have it. Should be pretty cozy tonight. It's probably going to be one of our more comfier camps. Alrighty, well, we'll get the backpack and we'll head upriver, see if we can find that waterhole. Time to go for a wander. And I think we got to cut through old mate's gate just here. But that shouldn't be an issue. In Tasmania, and probably just the definition of the word, it's only trespassing when you're on someone's property and they ask you to leave and you don't. You're allowed to be on until they ask, and then if you don't leave, then it's trespassing, and that's when you can get in trouble. We don't need to be in old mate's paddock for very long, and then we can cut down to the riverbank and walk along the rocks. Might go a bit further along. Not the worst spot to get down. We'll be able to get there easy. Wow. Oh. Oh. Sole just rotted completely. Want to be a bit careful. Whoa. Ah. Oh boy. Ah. Just occurred to me as well that I probably want to watch out for snakes. Been seeing a fair few around lately, couple on the motorbike, even had one living in the roof of the humpy at one point. They don't like you as much as you don't like them, but the only thing is, all the snakes in Tasmania are poisonous. Yeah, no, venomous. All the snakes in Tasmania are venomous, and they'll kill you. Hey there, little boy. We'll cut up the side here. It looks more open and less sketchy. Wow. Little hut up here. I had no idea this was up here. Oh no, it's locked. So someone doesn't want me to go in there. Is this through the water hole? It's looking pretty deep down in there. So I've been led to believe this isn't quite the spot, even though it looks pretty damn nice and there's a nice water hole here. Oh wow, the rest of that rock is slippery as buggery. Oh. Oh wow. Oh. Oh. Look at that. That's gorgeous. Oh. Better let the dogs out to breathe. Oh yeah. Ooh. That's nice. That water is quite cold though still. Alright, time to make our coffee. I probably should have done this before lighting that, but I will. Oh no way, as if it doesn't fit on. Oh, just. Oh Lord, please help me know. How have I done this? I forgot to bring a cup. That's a bit of a bummer. Ah well, we've got our billy, so we might have to drink it from the billy. That's a blunder. Far out, it's spilt over. Just stay there. Why would you do that? Still got some in there. Don't know how much really, but oh, we've got like nothing. I'm lost for words, really. Might have to pack it up and go home after that one. Nah, we won't do that. Got some milk in, get a bit of honey in. It's alright. Definitely needed more coffee, but alright, we're pretty hungry, so we're gonna whip up a bit of breakfast. We're just gonna have our scrambled eggs. Not the cleanest camping meal, but what we like. Get a splash of milk in there, bit of chicken stock powder, come on now, and then flame that nice. Oi, get our oil in there. This pan used to be non-stick, but it lost all its non-stickness out here camping, so you need a bit of butter and a bit of oil to keep it from from sticking. Ah. Oh. Eggs are looking pretty good. I reckon they're nearly done. Those little crispy bits are really yummy. Mmm. Oh. Get a little fire going in this pocket. Oh, quick on my foot. We honestly probably still need to go get some bigger bits just to make it last for a couple of hours or so. Right, well, while the fire's getting up, we might head in the water, go for a bit of a swim, so we can dry off when she gets raging. So, let's get our bathers on. Alrighty, let's see how cold this water is. Oh. Oh yeah, it's cold. Oh bugger, that's cold. Oh. Oh. Oh bugger, it's still freezing. Oh my god. Oh my god. Alright, we'll try this again. Oh, there's a slippery rock. Oh my word, the fire's still shooting at me. Oh, I don't know if I can take it, man. That is so cold. Oh yeah.
Oh my god.
I think I've hopefully got it in obstacle avoidance mode. Wow. Yeah. Straight up, yeah, from here, I reckon. And then all those exploding rocks with the fire kind of got me a bit scared to cook my lunch there. So I thought I better come back, and there's a little fire bit here. I'll make a little campfire here and chill and cook up my lunch and whatnot. And oh. Ah, my eyes. Now I have made a bit of a blunder. I forgot to bring a knife as well, so we're gonna have to eat our chicken just with a fork. It's been a whole while since I've been out bush. Seem to have forgotten how to do it a little. Not forgotten how to do it, just getting back into it, you know? We're gonna have to cook this super duper slowly to get it all the way cooked through. I really wish I had a knife to cut it, but what can you do? It happened off camera, but when I went to go get my water, the pan caught fire. Kind of charred my chicken a little bit. Not looking too bad still though. I must have got it in pretty good time. Better not leave the fire then. I'm actually going to attempt to rip the chicken open with a fork and a spoon to try and get it to cook better. There we are. That's better. We're going to put some honey in to give it a bit of sweet and saltiness. Oh man. Oh. It's looking pretty damn good though, actually. Definitely cooked. Oh yeah. Nothing quite like a bit of honey chicken. I know there's a proper sauce with the honey that you can make, but I find just melting it in the pan honestly kind of tastes the same. I can't really taste the difference. Oh. Oh. Last little piece of chicken. Oh, and every single piece ended up being cooked through, so we won't get salmonella. We're happy. That honey really ends up getting stuck to the pan, so you gotta heat up some water, whirl it all around to get it all unsticky. I'm feeling pretty tired, so I think I'm just gonna chew around, might take a little nap, might just potter around, do some stuff, probably some boring stuff that you don't want to see. So I'll catch you around about dinner time or something, and yeah, we'll get going from there. We'll see what we have planned, and if something exciting happens, I'll make sure to grab it. Talk to you in a bit. So there's been a slight change of plans. One of my good friends, who only lives about 5 minutes away from where I'm camping, has invited me to go play some badminton. So I'm going to drive to his place, and then he's going to take us up. We're going to play some badminton, and then he's going to drop me back down here, and we're going to camp the night here still. But why don't you come along and check out a couple of our badminton games. We're pretty damn good. Fake it. Oh, yes, man. Oh, wow. Mine. Out.
Concrete evidence.
Yeah. I have video recording of it going out.
Yeah, evidence of that going out.
Okay, we made it back to camp. It's quite late, but we need to cook some dinner. I really don't think I can be bothered, but I got some steak chunks that are gonna go bad if I don't cook them, and I am actually a bit hungry, so we're gonna whip those up, get them into us. I love my local butcher, I really do. You have to get some of the water out so it can sear up nicely, and they're looking pretty good now. There we have it, folks. That's our feed for the night. It's going to be a good one, I can tell. I am super hungry. Alright, it's time to navigate our way to our swag through the dark. Alright, we made it. Oh, let's get that open. Thanks for the shoes, Max. Oh, nice. Oh, alrighty, folks, it is mighty cold tonight, so we're going to zip up our sleeping bag. We're going to turn in for the night. I'll catch us all in the morning. Sleep well. See you later. Well, good morning. It's 8:30. We woke up at about 5 o'clock. There was a fair bit of bird ruckus going on. But we eventually fell back asleep. And we actually got a decent amount of sleep. We probably got about 7 hours maybe. But it's actually really cozy and I just want to stay in bed. It's looking like a good day. Well folks, I hope y'all liked that video, and if you did, be sure to check out some other videos on the channel of bushwalking or even cooking videos and general adventuring. So, you all stay safe now, take it easy, I'll see you when I'm looking at you. Adios.